Welcome to the OnDeck channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It really helps us out. OnDeck is a leading online lender catering specifically to small businesses. They offer a streamlined application process, making it quicker and easier for entrepreneurs to access the funding they need. Instead of navigating the complexities of traditional bank loans, OnDeck provides a more agile and user-friendly experience. Their digital platform simplifies borrowing, allowing business owners to focus on growth and operations rather than getting bogged down in paperwork and lengthy approval processes. OnDeck offers various financing options tailored to different business needs, including term loans and lines of credit. These flexible solutions provide capital for a wide range of purposes, from purchasing inventory and equipment to covering operational expenses and managing cash flow. Furthermore, OnDeck provides resources and support beyond just funding, helping businesses navigate financial challenges and plan for future success. They recognize that access to capital is only one piece of the puzzle, and they strive to be a valuable partner for small businesses throughout their journey. The company leveraged technology to assess creditworthiness quickly and efficiently, often providing decisions within hours. This rapid turnaround time is a significant advantage for businesses needing immediate funding. Traditional lenders can take weeks or even months to process loan applications, a delay that can significantly hinder a small business's ability to capitalize on opportunities or address urgent needs. OnDeck's streamlined and technology-driven approach simplifies the borrowing process, reducing the administrative burden and providing faster access to vital resources. Moreover, OnDeck emphasizes transparency and clear communication throughout the loan process. Borrowers have access to a dedicated support team and online tools to monitor their loan status and manage their finances effectively. This focus on transparency builds trust and empowers business owners to make informed decisions about their financial future. By providing clear terms and readily available support, OnDeck fosters a positive and productive borrowing experience. They aim to be more than just a lender, they strive to be a reliable and supportive partner for small businesses as they grow and thrive.